adding tea to your diet could be a simple yet effective way to lose belly fat. The benefits of tea go beyond its warmth. These teas contain potent natural compounds that can accelerate your metabolism. So while you savor these delicious beverages, they will be silently assisting you in your quest for a healthier, slimmer body. Stay tuned for today's video to learn more. Discover the detail about 5 teas that can help your body burn fat around your midsection efficiently and organically in just 30 days later. But are you aware of the drinks that could contribute to accumulation of abdominal fat? Watch the entire video to learn more. And without further ado, let's get commenced on green tea. Is well known for helping people lose weight, especially by burning fat in areas of the body that refuse to go away. Fat within a month. The presence of caffeine and green tea also plays a critical role as they work in tandem to improve fat oxidation rates. Studies have shown that green tea could boost metabolism and enhance the body's ability to burn fat. The remarkable effect of this product is primarily due to its high concentration of caffeine, a type of antioxidant. Among these eggs help lower body weight, body mass index (BMI), and belly fat in individuals with type 2 diabetes. It was also highlighted that in studies spanning 8 weeks or more, the benefits of green tea were seen at dosages lower than 800 mg daily. Green tea is really simple to prepare. Bring the water's temperature up to around 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, 176 to 185 Fahrenheit. Add a teaspoon worth of green tea leaves in a teapot or infuser. Cover the leaves with hot water and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also add some honey or a twist of lemon for flavor. But be aware that green tea has been shown to interfere with iron absorption from food, which could cause anemia. If the diet is not properly adjusted to concentrate, this effect results in anemia. Oolong tea. The ability of traditional Chinese tea to help reduce belly fat within 30 days is attributed to its unique processing, which involves partial fermentation. This process enhances the levels of polyphenols, including the flavin and the arginine, which are key to its fat-burning properties. The tea is particularly effective at reducing belly fat, with result within 30 days. Additionally, the moderate caffeine content in oolong tea helps stimulate the metabolism, complementing the effect of polyphenols. The polyphenols in oolong tea activate certain enzymes that enhance the function of fat cells in the body. This increases energy expenditure and helps the body burn more fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Drinking oolong tea twice a day for 14 days enhanced fat burning by 20%, according to a search. However, have you made oolong tea before? If not, then proceed with our advice. Let the water cool to between 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. After it has boiled, fill a teapot or tea infuser with 1 teaspoon of oolong tea leaves. Pour hot water over the tea leaves, soak for 1 to 3 minutes or until desired consistency reached, and then serve. Remember that although if it does not contain as much caffeine as coffee or black tea, it can still have negative effects on people who are still sensitive to it, such as anxiety or insomnia. White tea. This type of tea is made from the youngest leaves and buds of Camellia sinus plant, which are lightly processed to preserve a high level of antioxidant, especially caffeine. The key to white tea is known for its delicate flavor and minimal processing, making it a potent weapon in a battle against belly fat. Its capacity to improve is what makes it effective in decreasing abdominal fat in 30 days. Furthermore, one animal study suggests that white tea extract could reduce fat gain on a high-fat diet by boosting metabolism, which increases the breakdown of fat cells and prevent the formation of new ones. However, keep in mind that more research is needed to make the tea. Add 1 to 2% of belly fat lipolysis, the process of breaking down stored fat in the body and to inhibit epigenesis, the formation of new fat cells. Although white tea is generally well tolerated, it does not contain caffeine, albeit a smaller amount than green or black tea. People who are sensitive to caffeine may experience mild effects like fatigue or sleep disturbance. Use 2 teaspoons of white tea leaves per cup of hot water at 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. Steep the leaves for 4 to 5 minutes, strain and serve the tea hot or iced. PU-Erh Tea. The fermenting process of PU-Erh Tea raises the levels of love, and this form of fermented tea is praised for its capacity to help reduce belly fat. PU-Erh Tea includes microbial metabolites that are absent from other teas. These metabolites help reduce bad cholesterol and manage body weight. A statin is a naturally occurring statin that plays a critical role in these processes. Promote the body microbial balance, which boosts metabolism and makes it easier for fat to be broken down. Additionally, research has shown that PU-Erh Tea inhibits the manufacture of new fatty acids, which help prevent the buildup of belly fat. After 3 months, 70 male received either a placebo or a capsule containing PU-Erh Tea extract. Those who take the pure capsule lost roughly 1 kg more than the placebo group. Boil water and let it cool to about 95 degrees Celsius, 203 Fahrenheit. Add about a teaspoon of PU-Erh Tea leaves to a teapot or tea infuser. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Strain and savor the earthy flavor of this unique tea. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea includes methanol, the main ingredient in peppermint oil, which has a number of advantageous benefits on the digestive system. Methanol aids bloating and facilitates better food digestion and passes through the stomach. This relaxation of stomach muscle may also lead to a more effective metabolic process. Additionally, peppermint promotes the gallbladder production of bile, which is necessary for emulsifying and digesting fat, increasing the rate at which the body can break down and process meals, resulting in enhanced fat burning. In a study of 13 healthy individuals, taking a peppermint oil capsule resulted in a lower appetite compared to not taking peppermint. Nevertheless, there is not much information on the theoretical benefits of peppermint oil for reducing belly fat within 30 days. Effect of peppermint tea on burning abdominal fat or weight. Pour a teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves or a handful of fresh peppermint leaves into a hot water. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Drain and drink hot or cold with a slice of lemon. But not everyone with GERD or certain types of stomach ulcer or those with gastroesophageal reflux illness should drink peppermint tea. By enabling stomach acid to return into the stomach, the relaxing impact on the stomach ulcer muscle may make their symptoms worse. Stay tuned for part 2. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.